PeerStreet Real Estate Investment Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get real estate investing wrong. They assume you need thousands of dollars or hands-on property management. The surprising truth about PeerStreet is how it lets you invest in real estate debt with as little as $1,000, and you won't believe the returns some investors see. Here's how it works. PeerStreet is a platform for investing in real estate-backed loans. You fund loans made to property owners or developers, earning interest as they repay. Each investment is short-term, typically 6 to 24 months, and PeerStreet handles underwriting and management. For example, an investor looking for diversification can select multiple loans across regions and property types, reducing risk while earning predictable income. Most people get this wrong. They assume direct ownership is required, but PeerStreet allows exposure to real estate without managing tenants or properties. Additional features include automated investing, detailed loan data, and risk assessment tools. Investors can filter by loan term, interest rate, and property type to match their portfolio strategy. PeerStreet also offers transparency with detailed reporting on loan performance. However, there are considerations. Returns depend on borrower repayment, and some loans can be higher risk. Most people assume it's risk-free. It's not a savings account, and diversification is key to mitigating potential defaults. In conclusion, PeerStreet is ideal for investors seeking passive income through real estate without direct property management. Its accessible platform, variety of loans, and data-driven approach make it a practical addition to an investment portfolio. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of real estate and fintech platforms.